and Stella loves animals, and I'm super tired, but Mom said I have to do a video. Oh. Okay, anyways, I went to Penn's again. I think I went there like 4 times now. Yeah. And I got lots of stuff. So first I got a tin with this cat, this duck, this dragonfly, this bunny, this monkey, and this purple and pinkish purplish corgi. And then I got this Great Dane turtle. A kitten, a raccoon, and this bird.
Okay, so what numbers are they?
Oh, and I also got this. Yeah.
Okay, so what numbers are they?
1649, 1652, 1648, 1646, 1645,
So you need 12 of them?
1645, 1647, 1651, 1643, and okay. I don't know what to say anymore.
And then
I got this.
So what did you get?
Okay, got a lion, crown, a little lake thing, monkey, banana, and this pink bamboo table. Then I got this hat, this ostrich, and this pair of binoculars. And they are the numbers 94, 6, 944, and 945. Then I got this set with the raccoon and this polar bear with snowballs, fish, and this sled.
What's their numbers?
And their numbers are 1682, 1681. And
then what's this cool thing?
Okay, well, there's this ice cave. I got an ice cave, and the ice cave goes with this polar bear, and I have all the pets and accessories and items in the bag right here. And I got this husky, which I really love huskies. And I also got this. It's, okay, if you put a magnet LPS, like right here in here, if you put a magnet LPS there, then you have to move this little thing that says LPS, and it moves the husky. That was just fell. Okay, and then I got another husky, and it's not a magnet, but it's still husky. Yeah, still husky. Then I got this snow owl. I'll just put it right there for now. Then I got this little snow bunny, a snowman snow bunny. Then I got this sled, And if you put a magnet LPS on these little paw prints, then it sticks. Oops. There's Bill. Okay. There. Okay, next I got this little hat accessory. And I think it goes on the, this husky. Excuse me. I think it goes, oh, it stretches. Yay. Okay, it goes on this husky. I think I can't get it on, but I'm gonna get it on. Okay, got it on. Okay. Then I got this penguin. And it's not a magnet. Yeah. Gonna put it right there. Then I got this little bottle thing. Don't know what it's for, but it looks good and handy. I got earmuffs. And I'm gonna try and put that on this husky. Okay. Yeah, got it on it. Okay, then it came with this scarf. And roller, ice skates. And the ice skates, there's other ice skates in here. I'm gonna try and find them. There's two sets of ice skates. And they all go on this St. Bernard. I think that's what it is. They all go in it. If I can get one on. Oh, that's why. It's not doing it the right way. They all go in the St. Bernard. Like so. Like that. They all go on it. Na 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 na. Ah! What the heck? Okay. Anyways. Then I got this little bone with the little thing sticking out of it. I think it's supposed to go in one of the pet's mouths. But I don't see any with their mouth open. Oh, wait. I'm trying to husky. Think it will work. No, it won't. Okay. Then I got a teddy bear. A little teddy bear. A cup. This little, it's a little thing that the St. Bernard carries. Hot chocolate, hot cocoa, whatever it is. And I got this sled. It looks like the same sled in this set. Looks like the same sled. And yeah. Then I got a pile of snowballs, and there's another pile of snowballs in the set. And then I got this little helmet, and it goes on this husky. Doesn't fit good though. Oh no, I broke! Oh well, I can always fix it. Yeah, I know. But you can fix it. Okay. Anyways, I got this cup, and that's all I got. So see ya all on the next video. Bye.